Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. This is going to be, to my right, a 10-foot kitchen restaurant hood, 10 feet, all stainless steel as you can see here in the video. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the overall of this hood. Starting off with the length, as I mentioned, you have 10 feet, 120 inches, okay, so 10 feet. Now from the front or the top to the bottom, once installed, you're looking at 26 inches, okay? And from the sides, you're looking at a total of 47.5 inches, okay? 47.5 to be exact. Okay, so that's gonna be the measurements for this kitchen hood. Now we're gonna go ahead and show you the inside. On the inside, we can find NSF certifications all around the hood, okay? Also on the side, we have a sticker with all the detailed information. Inside will also label as UL, NSF, and our grease filters will also have that NSF label as well as that UL label. Okay, so you can find the certifications throughout the whole hood on the inside. Okay, that's gonna be the inside. Now I want to go ahead and show you the back, where you can locate the opening. This is obviously where all the air gets sucked out through once you're using that hood, and I want to go ahead and measure that opening. For the length, you're looking at 30 inches. Just the inside will be 28. Overall height is 12 inches. Just for the inside, it will be 10 inches. Okay, this is a 10-foot hood, as I mentioned. Restaurant kitchen hood. If you're interested in one of these hoods, just go on our website, Coolerdepotservice.com. You can make a purchase on the website. Price will be on the website. All detailed information is on the website. If you have any other questions regarding this hood, you can also give us a call. I'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.